Your ADU will require the management of money. It's going to require a separate bank account, understanding the expenses, the savings, what's coming in, what's going out, and a whole host of things that are very critical to have set up, as I'm understanding. This is something you can't have be muddled. You can't have this
Yeah.
be confusing.
Well, you can, but it'll be a mess.
That's true. You can,
I mean,
and
it's
you
like
don't want
you don't
it.
have to clean your bedroom, but if you want to find clean clothes and stuff like that,
Yes.
if you don't organize it and have a place to manage it, it's going to be tough.
Touche.
So one of the key things that I talk about, we talked a little bit about doing your books, but even more so, you want to make sure that you have tools that automatically keep you honest.
Yeah.
Okay. Your life's busy. And so you want to figure out how can I make it more simple to get through there. And probably the biggest and best recommendation that I can make to anybody who gets an ADU is set up a separate bank account. Now, it's pretty easy. Most banks will put up an account and they'll allow you to create a second checking account or something like that. Set that up and keep all of the finances separate between your ADU and you. Keep all your deposits so that they go into that account, all your expenses so they're paid out of that account. Now, if you pay yourself money, you pay out of your account into that.
Okay.
Because then you're declaring that differently. So it's really, really important, in my view, that when you have a plan to put an ADU in, you plan to create a separate bank account.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, and it seems very logical that this is not just because you wouldn't want your account to have all the rent because it's not all income. It's going to the business and then you get a portion of that. So that seems to keep it clean.
And you also want to track the money because it's easy to start just having the money come in and then just start spending it on other things.
Yeah, it goes out real easy.
Yeah. When you have another account, you can not only set up to pay the expenses, but you can also have automatic transfers into savings accounts. So you can set up an automatic savings for a long-term maintenance.
Yeah.
Oh, I know that in 10 years, I'm probably going to need to replace the furnace.
Right.
So I'm going to start putting $200 a month into that so that when the furnace shows up, I've got $8,000, $9,000 to pay for it. And I'm not going, oh my gosh, I got to put this on a credit card.
Yeah. Yeah. Oof, I don't want to feel that at all. So tell me, Brooks, how does someone get in contact to get more information?
It's very simple. All I got to do is send me an email. Okay. And that email is pretty simple in and of itself. It's hello@aduutah.com. So just address it to hello@aduutah.com. Write your question or comments or anything that you want on there. We'll follow up and get back to you on that.